Setting up auto deposit CIBC is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, you will need to contact the organization or individual who will be receiving the automatic deposits. They will provide you with the necessary information, including their account details and any forms or agreements required by their financial institution. Some organizations may require you to fill out and sign a consent form authorizing them to withdraw funds from your bank account. Now make sure to read and understand the terms and conditions outlined in the consent form before signing. You will need to provide the recipient with your banking information, including your CIBC account number, transit number, and institution number. You can find this information on your CIBC account statement or by logging into your online banking. Now, if required, fill out any pre-authorized debit agreement forms provided by the recipient. This form typically includes details such as the frequency of the deposits, the amount to be deposited, and the start date of the automatic deposits. Once you have completed the necessary forms and provided your banking information, submit the forms to the recipient as per their instructions. This may involve mailing the forms or submitting them electronically, depending on the recipient's preferences. After setting up automatic deposits, it's essential to monitor your CIBC accounts regularly to ensure that the deposits are being made as expected. You can view your account activity online through the CIBC mobile app or by contacting CIBC customer service. If you need to make changes to the automatic deposit arrangement or cancel it altogether, contact the recipient to request any necessary adjustments or to terminate the agreement.